Che, maingay ngayon yung paghihiwalay niyo daw ng Maha. Gusto mo bang sagutin to? Gusto mo magsalita? Gusto mo linawin? Kasi bulong-bulong kasi gusto namin manggaling mismo sa'yo.
Um, opo. We are taking a break muna sa relationship namin. But okay kami. We're on very good terms at nag-uusap kami, and we're doing this together, and we're taking this step by step together.
What are your feelings now?
I just, just wanna say thank you. Syempre, thank you sa fans namin who was always there, sa friends, family namin, and all we ask right now is just please respect our privacy. Please respect her. Yeah, yun lang. Pero okay kami. Syempre bad, but yun lang pong sasabihin ko. That's all I'm gonna say about that. So, kung may mga tanong pa kayo about the show, siguro sapat na po yun para sa inyo. Have any more questions about the show?
Siya, wala namang kinalaman dito ang oras sa trabaho.
I don't want to go into details. Yun na po yun. And we're, hayaan niyo po kami mag-recover muna. Hindi rin po biro yung mga pinagdaanan namin. So, just please, sana po, respect our privacy. And all I ask is please respect her as much as you can. Yun lang po.
So, sa inyo ni Isabel, kasi kanina na-mention na meron kayong mga kissing scenes.